Ugly property deals occur way more often than the gurus want you to know. Let's discuss why. Good day, ICanWin here. If you're new to the channel, I help part-time property people make consistent and then colossal cash flow using resources and revenues that are hidden in plain sight. In fact, whilst teachers out there aim to get people financially free within 5 to 10 years, me and my team get this done within 3 to 12 months. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Let's literally jump right in. If you're one of the active viewers, you would have seen a video where I broke down the 3 main types of property deals you can have, and more importantly, how people tend to end up with them. These 3 types of deals were good deals, bad deals, and ugly deals. We're going to dig deeper in this video into ugly property deals, specifically looking at what they are, how people end up with them, and how you and I will avoid them going forward. So what is an ugly deal? An ugly deal is a deal that looks like it stacks up, looks like it makes sense, looks like it will make you and I money, but it doesn't. You see, this is the main reason why these types of deals are so critical for us to avoid, as they appear on the surface as good, but ultimately they are not. In my experience coaching, I've noticed many people end up with ugly deals, and this is why it's crucial we discuss this. Typically, the way many people end up with ugly deals is from 2 main scenarios. 1 is deal desperation, and 2 is dating someone we should all stay away from. She's named misinformation. You see, with deal desperation, you've probably been on a few property courses and on a few more YouTube videos and thought you knew exactly what to do. But it's all taking too long, the results are not coming as fast as you'd like them to, and then a deal comes along. You don't look at the numbers as well as you should, you don't check things out as you should, and you tell yourself this is going to work. Unfortunately, it doesn't, due to the desperation you've had for a deal. Now, this isn't the end of the world, and well done for watching this video, as it will help you avoid this in the future. Now, on the other hand, you go out to all these motivational property network meetings, you get fired up about your property journey, you even meet a few people who tell you they're property sources and can find you a nice package deal. You jump straight in without double checking the numbers as you should, without researching things as you should, and you tell yourself this is going to work. Unfortunately, it doesn't. In this case, due to the misinformation you've received on the deal. So in both cases, there is a simple thing you have done, which I call risk. To share how this works, let me ask you this question. Would you walk away from a deal if your dog told you to? You see, a great example of this is found in the Bible in Numbers chapter 22, verse 7 to 30. This is where a man's donkey literally tells him to stop what he's doing and turn around. The interesting thing is, much like when a message comes our way, because we believe we are smarter than the messenger, we sometimes resist the message. In Proverbs chapter 9, verse 8, I learned that correcting some people results in them hating you, and correcting other people will make them to love you. I want you to know that resisting reality results in ridicule. And the moment you understand that, you will stop resisting the things that are reality. The R in risk is for resisting. So what happens when the issue is not that you resisted a warning? I understand that the issue isn't always resisting. At times, I, just like you, may not actually have the access to the things I need to know. Which reminds me of the saying, if you knew better, you could do better. I'll never forget one of the first lessons learned from one of my property coaches, which was you don't know what you don't know. And this was literally one of my biggest property success ahas when I got serious with investing. You see, that aha led me to a question, which was, how valuable is information to you or to me, or you get the point. You see, when I understood that information and energy are 2 critical ingredients to success, This kept me away from ugly deals, sometimes without me even trying. And I want you to remember that important information initiates your elevation. So the I in risk is information. This is the part of the video that I invite you to press the like button if you have got any value from the video so far, and to subscribe if you want to get more content like this, and to press the bell notification so you can get updated every time we drop a video. However, for some reason, I feel like you've done that already, and if you haven't, well, now's the time. Now, although information is crucial, not all information is equal. It's because of this that many people buy properties and go into deals believing they have all the information when they don't. I heard a pastor once say, don't major on minors and don't minor on majors, which proved to be life-changing words for me. It helped me realize exactly what I'm sharing with you in this video. Some information will be majorly important, such as the return on investment, the initial investment required, the feasibility of the work needed to be done, like being done within a specified time frame. But just keep in mind that all the information is not as significant as the key information. I tell myself to help me keep conscious of this, that significance supersedes the status symbol of just having another property. So S is for significance. And once you've determined what information is and is not significant, the key is then to get the information. You see, there's no use the key things of importance not being accessible to you. That would simply make that information useless and an ugly deal more likely to be the result of your lack of effort. You see, I once read that if any man think that he knoweth anything, he knoweth nothing yet as he ought to know. This verse in the Bible always reminds me that knowledge is dynamic. There is always more available, and that anything I think I know about a property deal can always be checked and second guessed to ensure a more profitable outcome. A way to see it is what you know can harm you and what you don't know can't help you. The K in risk is to know. So to simplify this whole process, just remember that the way to avoid ugly deals is to commit that you will not resist information significant to know. If used, this simple 4-letter acronym should keep you much safer than you were in your property journey before you watched this video. And if you're a reader of the Bible and you want a few more verses which show you how this all works deeper, check out the description of this video and I'll share a few more of the verses there for you to check. Be sure to drop me a comment below so I know what you took away from this video. And with that being said, remember that small keys open big doors, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless.